Assalamualaikum प्यारे बच्चों, welcome to STEAM education and as you know the book which we are doing is Maths for Juniors। आज का टॉपिक हमारा बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है क्योंकि वो एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो कि है टाइम। आपने तो सुना होगा गया वक्त फिर हाथ नहीं आता। जी, जो वक्त गुजर गया वो दोबारा नहीं आएगा। So you have to take care of time a lot. You have to do all the things which are very productive and helpful for you and stop and avoid wasting time. Time is very precious my dear kids. And एक और चीज़ जो टाइम के बारे में मैंने सुनी है वो है time is money. More precious than money because it will never return. Let's see कि टाइम को स्टडी करने के लिए हम क्या चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो हमें टाइम बताती है? क्या है वो? Exactly, a clock on your wall or a watch on your wrist. जी, एक क्लॉक जो आपकी वॉल्स पे लगी होती है। And have you ever observed that clock? How it looks like? What parts it has? It has some numbers, some needles which keep on ticking, 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 right? It goes further, further, further. फिर एक घंटा गुजर जाता है, फिर कुछ मिनट्स गुजर जाते हैं and what not. We have a digital watch as well जिसमें numbers चल रहे होते हैं, right? तो आज हम देखेंगे क्लॉक को बहुत ही डिटेल में और देखेंगे कि कैसे हम टाइम को मेजर कर सकते हैं और क्लॉक के कौन से पार्ट्स हमें मिनट्स बताते हैं और आवर्स बताते हैं। तो दिस इज अ क्लॉक। द लॉन्गर हैंड इज अ मिनट हैंड, द शॉर्टर वन इज एन आवर हैंड एंड द नीडल विच कीप्स ऑन मूविंग इज द वन विच टेल्स अस सेकेंड्स। हम अपनी बुक की तरफ चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि हमारी बुक पे क्या एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन है रिलेटेड टू टाइम। Time. A clock tells us the time and here is the clock my dear kids and here are all the things which I have told you in the introduction. The first one is face of the clock. ये है क्लॉक का फेस जिसको हम डायल भी कहते हैं and it is divided into 12 equal parts. ठीक है, 1 से लेके 12 तक इस पे होते हैं नंबर्स and they are equally divided from 1 till 12. Next are some needles, some hands. The long hand shows the minutes. आप इनको hands भी कह सकते हैं, needles भी कह सकते हैं. Here the word hand has been used. The long hand shows the minutes. The short hand shows the hours. And the thin hand which keeps on moving shows the seconds. अब ये जो क्लॉक है, let's see the time it is showing. In this clock, the hour hand is at 3, as you can see that, and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. My dear kids, you have to keep in mind that whenever we are going to say that what o'clock it is, you have to see the short hand will be on a certain number and the long hand will be on 12. Only then you can say that it is 3 o'clock. Remember, the hour hand moves twice around the dial of clock in one day. जो hour hand है वो twice move करता है क्योंकि हमारे दिन में 24 hours हैं. As you know, we have 12 divisions on the clock, but our day has 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. एक घंटे में हमारे पास 60 मिनट्स हैं। 1 minute have 60 seconds. एक मिनट में हमारे पास again 60 seconds हैं and 1 day have 24 hours. Now these are some clocks showing different times. I am going to do 2 with you and the rest of them you are going to do on your own. On the first clock dial we have the short hand at 6 and the long hand at 12. What time is it my dear kids? Yes, it's 6 o'clock. In the second clock the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12. What time is it? Yes, it's 4 o'clock. And the other parts you are going to do on your own. Dear teachers, there is a point for you. Show the students a clock and explain the different parts of the clock. Point out the hour hand, the minute hand and the second hand. Explain how the hands move around the clock to tell us the time. Here, my dear kids, the question is very interesting. Read the sentences and draw the hour and minute hands of the clock. One has been done for you. Now you are supposed to make the hands yourself. Like Rehan wakes up at 7 o'clock. So this clock is showing 7 o'clock, the hour hand on 7, the minute hand on 12. His school starts at 8 o'clock. How you are going to make 8 o'clock? Yes, the hour hand at 8 and the minute hand at 12. And his school ends at 1 o'clock. You are going to make 1 o'clock over here. Short hand at 1, the hour hand, and long hand at 12, the minute hand. And this way you are going to do the other 3 parts. Here you have to show 4 o'clock. Here you have to show 6 o'clock. And at 8 o'clock he goes to bed, which is a very right time to go to bed. The next thing, my dear kids, which is related to time, are the days of the week. Yes, look and learn. There are 7 days in a week. Every day of the week has a name. हमारे पास एक वीक में 7 days हैं और हर डे का एक नाम है. Starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. In the first question, you have to write the next day. यहाँ पे कुछ days given है and you are supposed to write what comes next. Tuesday, what comes next, my dear kids? Wednesday. Then Friday, what comes next? Saturday. Sunday, Monday. Thursday, Friday. And Monday, Tuesday. And here you have to go the other way round. Write the day before. The names of days are given and you have to write the previous day. What comes before Friday? Yes, you can take an idea from this diagram. Thursday. What comes before Saturday? Friday. And same goes on till here. The second question is very interesting because you are just supposed to write the missing letters. The first word is Sunday. You are going to write the missing letters in it. And all of the days are going to be done in the similar way. You are just supposed to write the missing letters. And the last part of this concept is months of the year. As you know that in 1 year we have 12 months. There are 12 months in a year and every month of a year has a name. When all 12 months have passed, a year has gone by. जब ये तमाम 12 months गुजर जाते हैं तो एक साल भी गुजर जाता है. Yes, we jump on to the next year. Starting from the first month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Order the months from January to December by drawing a line to connect the red dot in the correct order. Write the names of months as well. सबसे पहले आप इन months को correct order में join करना है. Join January with February, February with March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December over here. You just have to match them and after matching them, you are going to write them in order in these boxes given below. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का lesson. We have seen the concept of time. We will meet again with the last lesson of this book. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.